This week's video, we are sort of finishing the paintwork and also removing the bulkhead. It does seem that I am doing these intro videos while I'm in the edit room. It's not the right way to do it, but it's what's happening at the moment, so we're just going to roll with it. And then maybe I'll end up doing intros in the actual video filming time at some point. So yeah, hope you enjoy this one. Bulkhead removal and paintwork. Let's get into it. Made a bit of progress here. So we filled it, sanded it, put the primer on, so now the closely colour matched top coat. That's the first coat done. There's a minor little run here or there, but on the whole, it's a hell of a lot better than it was before. And the colour's pretty well matched. It's a little bit greyer than it is blue, but we can potentially blend that in. Shit. That was lucky. There's a little bit of water trying to make its way down. So, leave that for a few minutes and get on with another job. Right, we're in the van now, as you can tell. While the paint's drying on the outside, we've got all the main holes cut, so it's time to pull out the bulkhead. Slight problem here is all of the bolts that hold the bulkhead in are covered in a horrible like underbody sealant stuff. So that went well. So yeah, there's a horrible underbody sealer that we've partially pulled off, so I'm going to see if I can get the 10mm socket on it and start pulling these out. I'm going to do it by hand first, and then we may get the impact driver out when I get bored of that. So yeah, as you can see, we've got these little bolts here, but it's got this horrible shit all around it. The previous owner of the van put some sort of underbody sealant on the thing, and it's, as you can see, just covered the bloody bolts. And I might be able to smack an hammer to see if we can get it to bite on. Even that's not working. Let's try that one there. We found the technique. It is wire brush. Just jam it in around the bolt, and then it gets enough of it off to get the bolts out. Not going to make you watch that. It's going to be dull. So yeah, we'll come back when I'm pulling out the last of the bolts. Fingers crossed. Right, here goes nothing. I think that's all the bolts out. Right, I think all we have to do is drill through this rivet here, and we'll be there. Right, I think that is the bulkhead free. Whoa. Right, where is it still attached? There we go. So it's just a bit of carpet now. Which I can probably just cut with a knife rather than trying to do it like this. Maybe, maybe not. And we're free. This is definitely a two-man job. The front of the van, the rear of the van. We made some discoveries. We found a bit of Scotch Brite or Scotch pad, whatever you want to call it, scouring pad, bit of wood, bit of Perspex, and yeah. Oh, what have we got here? Welcome to Premier in Manchester Airport. Please pay at reception. 2nd of August 2021. Someone used this van to go to the Premier Inn in Manchester Airport. That's exciting for them. What else have we got? This is the treasure hunt. We got a bit of sugar from possibly McDonald's. Some sort of chocolate wrapper. Ooh, maybe a Polish chocolate wrapper. Exciting. That's ours. That is one of the things that I need there. Oh, they went crazy. There's some brown sugar here as well as the white sugar. Whoa! Is that 2p? Ha! We're rich beyond our wildest dreams. We've got a 2p piece. Got a bulkhead out there. Well happy. Done really well on this one. So not only did I not do an intro, I didn't do an outro. So here we are back in the edit, recording an outro. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this nice short video of us removing, or me removing the bulkhead. It's all done now. That's big jobs done. We're now on to the smaller jobs, which are also really big. But yeah, like the big moving of metal and things like that. We're done. So it's now a case of putting stuff into the van rather than removing stuff, I think. So yeah, if you liked it, drop us a like, subscribe if you want to see the rest of this campervan build. Next up, we have got a reversing camera and light to go in. And then after that, we're moving on to the electrical planning, I believe. We've got a load of Victron stuff ordered. So it's going to be planning out the placement of all of that and planning out wiring sizes and all of that sort of fun stuff that, yeah, it's going to be a lot of thought going into it basically to make sure I've got it right and I don't burn the whole van down the first time we use it. So yeah, fingers crossed. If you like and subscribe, be much appreciated, and see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.